Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Get ready for a wild ride because today we're bringing you something truly massive. The Caterpillar 385C Excavator in full beast mode, showing off its raw power at the Ektor Epe Mining Site. If you love heavy machinery, mining action, and the thunderous sound of pure hydraulic muscle, this video is going to keep you hooked till the end. So sit tight, hit that like button, share this video with your fellow machinery fans, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic content like this. The Caterpillar 385C is not your average excavator. It's a monster built for serious work. With an operating weight of over 85 tons and a bucket capacity that can scoop up nearly 5 cubic meters of material in one go. This machine dominates the site like a king. It's powered by a Cat C18 Acert engine delivering nearly 520 horsepower, giving it the strength to dig, lift, and load with unmatched speed and precision. Every movement of the boom, every scoop of the bucket, and every dump into the truck shows just how refined Caterpillar's engineering truly is. At the Ektor Epe Mining Site, you can see the 385C in action, loading up Mercedes-Benz and MAN trucks one after another without missing a beat. Each pass of the excavator's arm moves tons of material with effortless control. The operator's skill, timing, and precision are incredible to watch. It's not just brute force, it's a perfect balance of power and control. You can almost feel the ground shake with each scoop as the machine tears through layers of earth and stone. The hydraulic system hums with power, and the synchronization between the excavator and trucks is pure efficiency. What makes this scene even more impressive is how smoothly everything flows. The Mercedes and MAN trucks line up perfectly, ready to be loaded one by one. Within minutes, they're filled and off to the dumping area while the next truck takes position. It's a continuous rhythm of motion, heavy industry in perfect harmony. The operator keeps the bucket angle precise, ensuring each load is full but clean, minimizing spillage and maximizing productivity. This is what professional mining looks like: speed, accuracy, and coordination at its best. For those who love the technical side, here's a quick fact. The 385C excavator has a digging depth of nearly 8 meters and a reach of over 12 meters. The hydraulic flow rate ensures smooth performance even under extreme loads. Caterpillar designed this machine to handle the toughest mining conditions, from rocky surfaces to dense materials, without compromising on stability or efficiency. The reinforced boom and undercarriage give it the durability needed for continuous operations, day after day. In rough environments like Ektor Epe, you can truly appreciate the engineering when you watch it operate. Every detail, from the roar of the diesel engine to the flex of the hydraulic cylinders, speaks of pure industrial strength. The machine isn't just working, it's performing, showing off the best of modern heavy machinery. Watching it scoop and load in perfect rhythm is like watching a powerful dance between man, machine, and earth. And as the sun sets over the Ektor Epe Mining Site, the Cat 385C keeps going strong. Dust clouds rise, engines roar, and the golden glow of the setting light hits the steel frame, making it look even more majestic. This is where power meets purpose, the heart of mining. So if you enjoyed watching this incredible display of heavy-duty strength, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. Drop a comment below and tell us which machine you want to see next in action. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep the engines running and the power alive.